Right, last time we finished looking at 3D shapes, so now we're gonna go on to a new topic and we're gonna look at averages. And it's like three different types of averages, because the range isn't actually classed as an average, it's classed as a measure of spread, in case people didn't actually know that. So the three averages are the mode, the median and the mean. So for the first video we're going to look at the mode, and then the next two we'll look at the median and the next one the mean. So we'll work with all three averages first. So in this video we're going to look at the mode. So what is the mode? The mode is basically the number that occurs the most in a list of numbers. So can we have more than one mode? Well, yeah, we can have any number of modes really, because sometimes there might be two numbers that occur the same number of times. And you might want to know as well, can we have no mode? Well, if it's just numbers that, just a list of random numbers, then yes, there can be no mode, because every number might just be in the list once, or every number might be in twice or three times or whatever. And in those cases there wouldn't be a mode. So let's do some examples. Now this is ridiculously easy, so we'll get the hang of this quite easy. So I'm just gonna show you lots of different problems that you can get. So right, so in this first list here, we'll see which numbers here are the most. It's a 4. So the mode's 4 for this one. Next list, let's see what the mode is. Well, I've got two 5s at the end here. And I've got two 6s and two 7s. So in this one we've got 3 modes. We've got, let's put them in order, 5, 6, and 7. And put those little things here, whatever those are called, because I'm not really an English person. Just to show that it's not 567, because there isn't the number 567 in this list. Right, next one here. These are 2-digit numbers. As you can see, I've made the spacing different so you can see clearly that these are 2 digits. And you can see here that in this list all these numbers are different, so in this one there's actually no mode. Right, okay, so in the next problems what I want to do is, we've got a list of numbers and it tells us here what the mode should be. So we'll have to add numbers so that this number under mode here is actually the mode of the list of numbers. So let's show you what I mean. Well, for this list here I've got each number once apart from the 3, because I've got 2 3s. And we want 6 to be the mode, so that means 6 must occur the most in here. And we've got 2 3s, so we must have 3 6s, and we've got 1, so if we add a 6 and another 6, and then we're mode is then 6, isn't it, because we've got 3 6s, which is more than what any other number occurs in this sequence. So let's look at the next problem. In this one we want 3 modes, 2, 7 and 9. Well, 2's already the mode of this list, so that's good. 2's already a mode. So now we can add a 7, we haven't got any 7s at all, so we need to add 2 7s. So we've got a 7, I need one more 9, so I'll put a 9. and I need another 7. Now we can check this back. We've got 2 2s, 2 7s, and 2 9s, and there isn't 3 of any number, so all those 3 are the mode. Now in this one we don't want there to be a mode, because it tells we're here. It's basically having some missing numbers and we're finding out possibilities of what the missing numbers could be. So in this one we want no mode. Now you can see there's 2 3s and there's 1 6 and a 2. Now if I add a 2 and a 6, there's 2 of each, so now there basically isn't a mode. Now obviously you could add different numbers and get the same answers, so there definitely isn't just one answer to these problems like the ones we did at the top here. Let's just put a box around these to show you that. Sorry. These are actually the modes. And not the actual lists themselves. That was just a mistake there, because I nearly put it around a number by mistake. I just want to now show you the last type of problem we could get, which is where we've got a table with frequencies on. So for a frequency table, we've got 10 scores of 1, so it's the same as writing out this list with 10 1s, 14 2s, 6 3s, and 7 4s. And if we write the list out, it's clear that if we've got 14 2s, 14's the most, so therefore the mode would be 2. So for these types of problems, the mode is basically the thing that has the highest frequency, because it could be scores, it could be items, it could be times, it could be, well, basically a number of anything. It could be a measurement in centimetres, a weight of something, areas, whatever. And basically the one that has the highest frequency would be the mode. So yeah, that's basically what the mode is, and a little look at how we solve all these different types of problems here. And sorry about this little mistake here. Next time we'll look at the median and the mean.